Hey there, tech fans. Today I have the V-Truck Pro Jump Starter Kit from our friends over at VTOMAN. Now, in the spirit of full disclosure, the company did send me this sample for testing, but I promise it won't affect my opinion in any way because I always extensively test any product well before I review it, and if it doesn't live up to the specifications the company claims, I put it back in the box and I ship it back to the company. Now, I've been testing this unit for a couple of weeks. I've used it to jumpstart a couple of cars and other vehicles. I've used it to charge my phone on the road, and it does everything the company claims and then some. So I'm really excited to talk about it. So why would you need a jump starter? Well, we've all been in that situation where on a cold winter morning, you've walked out to your car, you put your key in the ignition or you push the start button, and all you hear is clicking from under your hood and maybe a couple of warning lights pop up on your dashboard. And the problem is your battery overnight has dropped just below the level that's needed to turn over your car. So what do? If you're lucky and you have a set of jumper cables in the back, you can open your trunk, pull those out, then you go back in the house, you got to wake somebody up or call a neighbor, you got to connect up the cables in the cold and then start your car. And you've got to be lucky enough that the other car has enough energy to get your car started. Not anymore. This product takes care of all of that for you. And the best part about it, unlike other jump starter kits on the market, it has no limits. And what I mean by that is it has 8,000 amps of starting power, which means it can start all gas vehicles and all diesel vehicles that are on the market today. A lot of other jump starter kits really have a limit to maybe 12 liters or 8 liters. Maybe they can start smaller diesel products, but not big trucks. This one starts everything, and it's got a bunch of other features built in as well. Now, before I get too deep into what makes this cool and different from the other jump starters, I always like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you what's included with the product. So let me do that. Then I'll actually take a closer look at the unit after I explain the specifications, and I'll take it outside and show you how you can use it with your car. So let's get started with that unboxing. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the unit. Again, it's extremely portable. They've done a great job of putting a little stud on the end here where you can clamp the clamps on. So it's nice and neat. It's a nice little package to put in your trunk. You'll also find a DC charger. It's an 18-volt high-power charger. Plug this into any standard wall outlet. You can plug this barrel connector into the front of the unit and quickly charge the unit. That's a fast charger. You can also charge it from a USB-C wall charger using the included cable. This is a USB-C to USB-C. So I would prefer to use this because it's going to charge it really quick. If you use a USB charger, make sure it's at least a 95-watt charger to get this thing charged up quickly. Then the unit itself is really portable. It's got a beautiful handle on the top, really small design for the amount of power it provides. And then finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists everything you pretty much need to know about the product, how to use it, how to charge it, what the indicators on the front mean, and everything else that makes it a great unit. All right, so let's talk a little bit more about the specifications. So this product is really like 3 products in one. It's an incredibly powerful jump starter. Again, any 12-volt vehicle, snowblower, lawnmower, tractor, whatever you're trying to jumpstart, all you have to do is connect up the 2 clamps on the battery, make sure you get black to negative and red to positive, and then start that vehicle. But in addition to that, it can be used as a power bank. There are 2 USB-A ports on the front, and you can use those to charge all of your portable devices when you're away from home. So maybe you've got a phone that's getting a little low on power, you don't have an adapter for your car, just plug it into the front of the unit. Maybe you're going camping. You can take this along as a gigantic power bank. It is 41,600 milliampere hours of internal energy. Most portable battery banks that you bring along, the small ones that slide in your pocket, are 10,000 milliampere hours. So this is almost 5 times the amount of power that you'll find in those smaller battery banks. In addition to that, it's got a flashlight on the front. So when you're using this to jumpstart your car, you can turn on that flashlight. It's a 400 lumen flashlight, which will illuminate the area underneath your hood and make it really easy to clamp those things on your batteries to make sure you get these on the positive and negative correctly. But that light also has a strobe. So if you're broken down on the side of the road, you can set this down and put it in strobe mode and let the cars know that are approaching you that you're off to the side of the road. And it's got an SOS setting on it. So maybe you're out camping and you need some help. Turn on the SOS setting, hang it from a tree branch, and that'll be seen across that forest. Now, if you stay tuned next, what I'd like to do is take a closer look at the unit, and I'll explain the buttons and indicators on the front to you, and then I'll go outside and actually show you how easy this unit will be to use with your own equipment. The V-Truck Pro features a high-impact plastic case which makes it lightweight and incredibly portable. It weighs just under 7 pounds, which means you can take it with you pretty much anywhere. On the front of the unit, starting on the bottom, on the left-hand side are 2 input ports. On the right-hand side are 2 output ports. So this is a DC input port that's used with the included power supply. You can basically plug that power supply into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there, and that'll fast charge the unit very quickly. To the right of that is a USB-C input port, and this can be used with a standard USB wall charger, typically 95 or 140 watts. You'll plug that wall charger into a wall outlet, then you can use the cable that's included with the kit, plug it into the charger, plug the other end in here, and you can charge the unit. And you have a choice of using either of these two. On the right-hand side are two full-sized USB-A ports that are used for charging external devices like your phone or your tablet or your camera, and you can use the cables that came with those products, simply plug them in here, and then charge them when you're away from home. On the top of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find the flashlight. That's a 400 lumen light that has 3 different settings. It's either on, SOS, or it's flashing in a strobe pattern. To the right of that are 4 bar indicators to let you know how much of a charge is still left on the internal battery, either 25, 50, 75, or 100%. And below that are 2 more buttons. The one on the left turns on the flashlight, and you can turn it on. If you tap it, it'll move through those 3 different settings. The one on the right controls the 12-volt output. Now, to use this, the first thing you'll do is connect it up to your battery using these 2 clamps and make sure you get those on the positive and negative correctly. If you get them wrong, an indicator will come up, let you know that you've got them backwards. But once you connect them to your car, all you'll have to do is start your car. But if your battery is dropped just below the level where it has enough energy, including this, to start your car, you can put this unit in boost mode by holding this button down for a few seconds, and that will deliver the maximum amount of current that this product can provide, which can basically start a car that has a battery that's almost dead. To turn on the light, you'll tap this and hold it. You'll see it power up, and now it's on solid. If I tap it again, I'm flashing in strobe mode. Tap it again, I'm in SOS mode. To turn it off, I'll tap it one more time. That's pretty much it. The unit will turn off automatically after a few seconds. On the top, you'll find a really nice handle. It makes it really easy to carry it around. And the 2 clamps on the left-hand side are heavy duty. These are really impressive. So it's easy to clamp this onto your battery, and I really like that they built this little shelf over here to put these away, because a lot of times you'll use a unit like this, and the problem is that you've got these cables dangling in your trunk and they're banging up against other things. So having a product like this where I can actually clamp them on the side makes it an incredibly neat product. And then in the back, you've got a little bit of a cable management setup right here. So these cables are plenty long, which makes it, again, easy to connect up to your battery. You've got plenty of flexibility where you actually locate this unit under your hood when you're jump starting your car. To quickly jump start any vehicle, the first thing you'll need to do is obviously open your hood and locate your battery. And in some cars, you'll find a plastic hood over the positive terminal. That's to protect it from shorting out. So you want to open that hood up. And then it's really important you understand which is the positive and negative terminals of your battery. And that'll be written on the battery itself, or in my case on the cover. So this is my negative terminal and this is my positive terminal. So now you can connect up the clamps on the correct terminals. And I'll start with the negative. And it's really important that you get a solid connection onto the terminal. Don't just clip onto the end of one of these bolts. You want to be able to transfer the maximum amount of current to that battery to start your car. Now I'll connect up the positive, and when I do that, watch these LEDs. You'll see the minute I make connection, the LEDs start flashing. And right now the unit is actually checking to make sure that you have the cables connected correctly. And once it's satisfied, that green LED will come on flashing. Now that indicates you're ready to start your car, so you can simply get back inside, turn your key or push your button, and the car will start right up. Now, if the battery is too low, even with this flashing green to start your car, you can hold this button in right here for a couple of seconds, and that puts the unit into boost mode, which delivers the maximum amount of current to your battery, and that'll help you start a car that has an almost dead battery. Now, one thing I wanted to show you too was if you get those connections backwards, you'll get an indicator right here that you've got to check something. So let me flip these and just pretend that I've hooked them up backwards. Now I want you to watch closely. See that red indicator right there? That's letting you know there's something wrong. And you check your connections, and sure enough, I've got the positive to negative and the negative to positive. And this VTruck Pro actually protects you from damaging the unit and damaging your battery if you inadvertently connect them backwards. So just unclip them and clip them back in the correct position, and you can jump start your car. And it really is just that easy. I hope that quick demonstration was helpful in showing you just how easy it'll be to start your vehicle using the VTOMAN VTruck Pro 8000 amp jump starter kit. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing this product with other jump starter kits you may be considering. The first thing, and probably most important thing, is the fact that this unit can provide up to 8,000 amps of starting power. A lot of other jump starters on the market may provide 2,000 amps or 4,000 amps, which are fine for smaller gas-powered vehicles. But if you're driving a larger vehicle or a truck that's powered by gas, you won't be able to use those smaller jump starters to jump start that vehicle. You need something a little more powerful. So having 8,000 amps of jump starting power means you can start all gas-powered vehicles and all diesel-powered vehicles that are on the road today, including other vehicles like a snowmobile or a tractor or maybe your lawnmower. Pretty much anything that runs on 12 volts, you can use this with to jumpstart that vehicle. Another important difference is that the unit has a large internal battery, which can provide external charging capabilities for your phone, your tablet, your drone batteries, your camera, whenever you're away from home. There are two full-sized USB-A ports on the front that you can simply plug in a cable and charge those devices from the energy stored in the battery. So it's a great little product to bring along on your next camping trip. It also provides a flashlight which has 3 different modes: on, 4,000 lumens of light, strobing, or SOS. So you can use it in emergency situations, you can use it when you're camping to light up the inside of your tent. So really what you're getting here is an incredibly powerful jump starter kit that's really 3 products in one. It's a great jump starter that'll jump start any vehicle that runs on 12 volts. It's got a nice flashlight in it, and it's a portable battery bank that you can use to recharge all your portable gear. It's a small compact package. It's got tons of protections built in case you get the 2 jumper clips backwards on your battery. It won't damage the unit, won't damage your battery. It's got over temperature protection. It's got over voltage protection, short circuit protection, pretty much everything you need to keep the unit safe and keep your car safe when you're jumping it. And that's pretty much it for today. So hopefully you found this review helpful. Thanks an awful lot for watching. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.